Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common household headache: how to unblock a drain clogged with soil or mud. Whether it's from heavy rain, gardening mishaps, or just everyday wear and tear, a blocked drain can cause backups and potential flooding. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to get things flowing smoothly again. This method is straightforward and uses mostly household items, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need a pair of sturdy gloves to protect your hands, a bucket to catch any debris, a plunger for initial clearing, a garden hose for flushing, and if things are really stuck, a drain snake or a wire hanger you can straighten out. Safety is key here, so wear eye protection and avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage your pipes. Let's dive into the steps. Start by removing any visible debris. Put on your gloves and carefully scoop out as much soil or mud as you can with your hands or a small tool like a trowel. Be gentle to avoid pushing stuff further down. Next, grab your plunger and create a tight seal over the drain opening. Plunge vigorously for about 30 seconds to a minute. This uses pressure to dislodge the blockage. If that doesn't do the trick, it's time for the drain snake. Insert it into the drain and twist it around to hook and pull out any remaining gunk. Once you've cleared the obstruction, connect your garden hose and flush the drain with a strong stream of water to wash away any leftovers. Run water through it for a few minutes to ensure everything's clear. Finally, prevent future clogs by installing a drain cover or regularly cleaning out leaves and dirt. There you have it. Your drain should be good as new. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more home hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.